Mr. Reuter Plumbing. We're committed to providing our customers with professional, timely, and caring services. And our clean and courteous professionals treat your home with respect.
The thing I like about Mr. Reuter and his people, it's the courteousness, it's the professionalism. They go hand in hand, and I just really feel safe with them in my home, and I highly recommend them to anybody, and I have. They're just a great team.
I'm Don with Mr. Reuter Plumbing. We're locally owned and operated, and there's a reason they call us Mr.